Number 2. Good luck, pilots. Goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. Off to the races we go once again. Sparky MJ, your highest seed, and with your whole shot. And trading places on that leaderboard. We're going to see how far he goes. He's up in that tower section over the dive gate. Or it's this preliminary round, everyone gets a third or fourth. Third or fourth, you go down to the consolation bracket. First and second, you advance in the winner's bracket. Sparky MJ with 32-1 opening lap. Still pushing. Sparky MJ working on lap number 2 as we get onto that lead lap. Sparky the Gray, he's about 10 seconds back off Mookie running second. First and second staying alive, third and fourth going down to that consolation bracket. As Sparky MJ gets on that third and final lap. Posting some hot lap times too, huh? Those low 30s, that's what we're looking for. Through that dive gate we go with Sparky MJ. Or the stitch it up section. Then we drop a bit back. We get onto that lead lap, and oh no. Mookie having some issues hitting the turf. He's gapped back up in that number 2 spot. And Sparky MJ going to get the win. 3 laps in a minute 33 to get the win of heat number 2 of our winner's bracket situation. And looks like we are going to be finishing up here with a sloppy final lap. Mookie trying to race to the line, everyone else chasing behind him. NASCAR rule in play. And so we will hit that checkered line. And Mookie pulling up second to stay alive in our winner's bracket, which will put Sparky the Gray and Rusky in our consolation bracket. Looks like one to get through our line, everyone down, and we'll retrieve some quads. As we're gridding up this next heat, I'm just going to need a few moments for administration before we go green. So this next heat's going to start in about 2 minutes or less.